LearnLab's hands-on lockout tagout training system is a must-have for every employer that has maintenance personnel and instructors who teach electrical safety. Students and workers will learn fast and retain what they have learned by practicing lockout tagout hands-on. This system is designed to be the first step in a worker's safety training process. Every service worker is required to have safety training. The new OSHA and NFPA 70EE require service workers to demonstrate the ability to operate these lockout procedures. LearnLab's lockout tagout training system is designed to provide you with the perfect hands-on platform to comply with this training requirement. Lockout tagout training system includes components commonly found in the workplace today. These components include 1, 2 and 3 pole breaker box, standard disconnect switch, standard on-off switch, plug, gate valve, ball valve, lockout toolbox kit, universal multi-pole lockout, switch lockout, gate valve lockout, ball valve lockout, plug lockout, circuit breaker lockout, 2 lockout hasps, 2 tags, padlock and key, and a PowerPoint presentation. Who will benefit? Maintenance workers, service workers, electricians and electronic technicians, engineering and STEM students, machine and process operators, repair persons, vocational students, and much more. LearnLab's training systems are a must-have for hands-on learning and electrical training. Train one or multiple workers at one time. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.